How to fix Wi-Fi icon grayed out on iPhone. Let's get started with the video. So what you want to do is to try turning on the airplane mode. Sometimes turning on the airplane mode has also fixed the issue. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is move into the settings of your device. In this page, move into screen time. Head over to content and privacy restriction at the bottom. Well, for you, if this option is turned on, then simply toggle it off. Once you have turned it off, the next thing you want to do is once again go back and head over to General. Scroll all the way down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and then once again click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of your device. Now tap on Reset All Settings. Once the settings has been resetted, it might fix the issue that you have been facing on your iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.